If you get a flat tire, do you know how to replace it with a spare or repair it? Or do you need to call another man to do it for you? Most flat tires are caused by nails or screws in the road, and they could be repaired by a tire plug kit. So if I could repair it, I'll repair the tire versus putting in a spare, because it's safer to do this. But a lot of new cars don't come with a spare tire, so this is a good skill to have. I've taken notice of TikTok's popularity, and I was contemplating making a TikTok account to promote my channel. And I know there are helpful videos on TikTok, but the more I watch TikTok, the more I want nothing to do with it. There's a bunch of grown men on TikTok making videos the style of junior high girls, and I just can't relate with that. I don't get it. I don't get the appeal. It looks like people want to become the next internet sensation through nonsense and not through skill levels, not through anything important. So yeah, no TikTok for me. If you have a TikTok account, if I like you, if you're one of my friends and you have a TikTok account and you want me to support you, let me know what your TikTok account is, and you know, I might create an account just to leave you comments. But other than that, yeah, I'm not going to be using that site. Me and my friend were talking about it in the comments, and since there's such a big push for electric vehicles now, we were discussing, is anyone going to know how to change a spare tire in the future? Is anyone going to know how to change oil, check their oil? Valuable skills, because not everyone's going to have an electric car. Checking your oil level is one of the most important things you could do with your car, especially me right here. I'm driving a 30-year-old car as a daily driver, so I check my oil after every fuel stop, make sure everything's good. Because if you're running low on oil, you're gonna destroy your engine. Also, coolant. You know how to check your coolant level. Those are good skills to have. So yeah, the whole thing I want to talk about with my channel, you know, all these years I really didn't have an identity with my channel. I was just putting up videos, but the last couple of years, my thing that I've been talking about with you guys, if you're regular on my channel, is it's okay to be a blue-collar guy. It's cool to work hard, and you can achieve dreams just being a manual labor guy, and just keep on having those valuable skills in life, and you'll be proud of who you are. I never have to call another man to change a spare tire for me, because I know how to do that. I could fix my spare tire, or I could change a flat tire or fix it. I don't need to call roadside assistance to help me with such a basic skill. And you can feel better about yourself knowing that you have basic skills in life.